Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate your American Express card. Watch this video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new, and also turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this every day. To get started, open up a browser. Now in the search bar, type in americanexpress.com and then press enter on your keyboard. Soon as you do that, the official website of American Express will open. Now, in order to activate your card, click on the login button located on the top right. From here, if you scroll down, you can see an option called Confirm Card Received. Now, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll need to enter your 15-digit card number. Then you'll also need to enter your 4-digit ID card. You can find the 4-digit ID card on the card itself. Then after you fill in both the information, click on confirm. After you do that, in the next step, you'll also need to confirm your identity. Then after that, your American Express card will be successfully activated. That's how you can easily activate your American Express card. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.